Hello everyone, this is Ayush Sharma and I am a pass out from 2016-17 batch of St. Paul's School. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree in Electrical Engineering from NIT Jaipur. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to all my teachers at St. Paul's School. From the past 3 years, there hasn't been a single day when I did not miss those lovely library sessions by Asif sir and the anecdotes that Archana ma'am used to share in the social science classes and wonderful class teachers like Ashish sir and Saroj ma'am. I also truly miss all my sisters Manoj sir, Himmat sir, Nisha ma'am and Anita ma'am for teaching science in such an interesting manner. I would also like to thank Father for taking such lovely moral science lectures and Rajesh sir for being an amazing mentor to all of us. For me, Rajesh sir has been like a coconut, harder on the surface but very soft inside the core. Having spent 1 year in college, I can assure you all that we won't find such amazing set of teachers anywhere else in the world. So once again, a very happy Teachers Day. Love you all.
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers of St. Paul's who have taught me how to think, not what to think. For me, you were just not my teachers but my guardians who have guided me to do what is right. I just want to thank you all for always being there for me, for loving me unconditionally and treating me as your own kid. I'll miss my school and especially the teachers. Thank you for everything.
They plant the seed of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's future. Do you know who are they?
Shut.
They are our lovely teachers. Myself, Navya Joy, and I am pursuing MSc.
Myself, Archana B. Nair, and I am pursuing CA.
And we are the first batch of St. Paul's School.
Today, we wish to say thank you for all you have been to us and done for us. Because whatever we are now, it's all because of your love,
effort, care,
and guidance. Happy Teachers Day to all our lovely teachers. We miss you a lot.
Hello everyone, I am Anuja, the former student of St. Paul's, wishing all my teachers a very happy Teachers Day. It's the fact that the lights of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive all comes from our teachers. I am deeply thankful to all my teachers who continuously inspired me to do my best and strive my goals. I miss you all. Once again, very happy Teachers Day.
Very happy Teachers Day to all my loving teachers. Myself, Manvinder Singh from batch 2015-16. I am pursuing my BCom honors from JLS University, Ahmedabad. What to say? Words are not really enough to describe you all that how amazing you are. The amount of love, courage, values, blessings you have just given to us is precious for us. You are the best teachers in the world and best teachers for me, and not only for me, but for every student. You were just like family to us, with whom we have just done 100 of gossips, 100 of fun, everything. Thank you for everything you have just done for me. Thank you so much, and happy Teachers Day again.
A teacher who aroused a feeling for one single good action, for one single good poem, accomplished more than he, who fills our memory with rows and rows of natural objects, classified with name and form. A very happy Teachers Day to all my loving teachers. I am Tashi Bhatnagar from batch 2016-17, currently pursuing my BSc degree from Community Science, Udaipur. I thanks all my loving teachers, fathers and sisters for their love, guidance and support. You all showed us the correct path like a God, cared for us like a father, and scolded us like a mother. We all are blessed to have you all in our life, and I wish one day people tell me you made the people proud who taught you. Thank you.
With a special gift for learning and with a heart that deeply cares, you added a lot of love to everything you shared. Hey everyone, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. This is Ishita Pagaria from batch 2019-20. I am currently preparing for my JEE mains. I had been the student of St. Paul's School for past 12 years since my class 1st to 12. As a student, I cannot thank my teachers enough for making this 12 years of my school life so beautiful and memorable one. Whatever I will say will be less because no amount of words can suffice how much my teachers mean to me. Thank you for guiding me whenever I felt lost and nourishing my abilities. Thank you for helping me to overcome my fears. You always treated me like your own kid and scolded whenever needed. Thank you for driving me to reach my potential and making me to think beyond practical boundaries. I am thankful for everything and I definitely promise that I will make my school proud one day. You all are a true blessing for me. I want to wish my beloved teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ashwin Shashi and I completed my engineering in computer science. I specialize in user interface and experience design. I was part of St. Paul's for 8 years. I joined the St. Paul's from class 1st to class 8. So I was part of the first batch. We were like 15 to 18 students in a small building in Dhoinda. Father KK Josh, though really strict, he made sure we were disciplined. The first batch saw the whole school from going from a small building to this huge building, and the faculty, they saw us from being a toddler to a teenager. Surya ma'am, Archana ma'am, Sonila ma'am, Rajesh sir, Saroj ma'am, Anusha ma'am, Kritika ma'am, Anita ma'am, and all the other teachers, fathers, sisters, brothers, they all made sure like we were on the correct path, and they made the school what it is today. My interest and enthusiasm in social studies was always encouraged by Archana ma'am, and I still find the subject really interesting. I would like to say sorry to Saroj ma'am and Surya ma'am. I still don't like maths that much. I am thankful and honored for the opportunities given by the school to me. I was the SPL and a house captain. From extracurricular activities, competition, dance competition, singing competition, group singing competition. St. Paul's has given me a lot of opportunities to shape my personality, and I am thankful for it. St. Paul's has shaped my childhood and my teenage years, and I am proud to be part of the institution. Thank you.
आप ही से सीखा, आप ही से जाना, आप ही को है हमने गुरु माना। सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने, कलम का मतलब आप ही से जाना। Hello teachers, this is Batul Bora of batch 15-16 wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much for your immense guidance, your love, your support. Miss you all a lot. Hope to see you soon. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day. Have an amazing day, teachers.
Hello everyone, this is Aditya of 2016-17 batch. First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my loving teachers present there. It feels great and privileged to be taught by such wonderful and amazing teachers like you. I have spent 12 years of my life at St. Paul's, which were truly fantastic and amazing just because of your love and support. Those days of telling tales and biting nails have gone, but in my heart they will remain on and on. Thank you each and every teacher for being a part of my St. Paul's journey. Once again, wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I feel so glad that I got a chance to deliver a small message for my beloved teachers on this special day. Firstly, I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers and sisters. This is Gaurav Vaishnav from batch 1920 and currently I am preparing for BBA from Jaipur. I had been the student of St. Paul's for past 14 years. I want to thank all the teachers for everything they have done for me all these years. Thanks for the love, care, support and for helping me to overcome my failures. Thank you for making me fall in love with the subject I thought I hated the most. Thank you for making me a better human. Lastly, I want to end this up by a quote dedicated to all the teachers that a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way of others. Thank you and have a good day.
Hello everyone, I hope you all remember me. I am Arushi Mathur, currently pursuing law from Symbiosis Law School, Noida. I got an excellent opportunity to study in St. Paul's from standard 5th to 8th when my father was posted there. The very memory of those days fills my mind with nostalgic memories of happy days. I believe that life is all about learning and school is the preparation to face the challenges in life, and here it were the teachers who always encouraged me and built the confidence in me which I carry today. They always encouraged me to participate in all the activities, be it dancing, debating, extempore, sports and what not. They really worked hard to instill the basic values like discipline, punctuality, honesty and the spirit to excel in our lives. Recollection of the fond memories of those bygone days still sweeten my mind, and I'm glad I got this opportunity to thank you all. As a future lawyer, I want to rest my case by saying thank you so much for making us what we are today, and a very very happy Teachers Day.
Pranam sabhi teachers ko. I am Gargi of batch 1516. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. I feel extremely grateful and blessed that I had teachers like you. I miss everything about school. दो चोटी बना के स्कूल जाना, स्पोर्ट्स डे, एनुअल डे, आप लोगों की वजह से रोज़ स्कूल जाने में मज़ा आता था, एक्साइटमेंट रहती थी. I want to thank you for all the knowledge, all the teaching, love, care and punishments. Thank you for all the beautiful memories. Thank you for everything. A very happy Teachers Day again.
Is a brilliant light, illuminating the prism of light, revealing to students the rainbow of possibilities. A very happy Teachers Day to fathers, sisters and teachers. I am Amartala Bhora from batch 2016-17. Currently, I am a NEET aspirant. On the occasion of Teachers Day, I want to extend my warm thank you to fathers, sisters and teachers for guiding us towards the right path. Thank you for everything. I hope I make you proud one day. Thank you.
Teachers encourages mind to think, hands to create and heart to love. Hello everyone, this is Aryan Odich from 2019-20 batch, and currently I am preparing for B Pharma course from Ahmedabad. I am really glad that I got this opportunity to make video for my loving teachers. First of all, happy Teachers Day to father, sister and all my loving teachers. I have been studying in St. Paul's from past 11 years, which were the most memorable ones. I would like to thank my teachers for love, care, support, inspiration and all the things they gave us and taught us always right. Thank you so much teachers. Once again, happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Ronnie B. Biju. I used to be a student in the first batch of St. Paul's Rajsamand. Currently, I am pursuing my mechanical engineering degree in Kerala. First of all, I would like to wish all the fathers, sisters and teachers at St. Paul's Rajsamand a very happy Teachers Day. For me, I have been in St. Paul for the major part of my school life, and from the very beginning, the amount of support and motivation the teachers provided is really unforgettable. Thank you all the teachers, fathers and sisters who have been there at St. Paul's for your guidance, hard work and the special contribution you have made in our lives. Once again, a very very happy Teachers Day to all.
Hello everyone, this is Suhana Khan of batch 2K16-17. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to all my loving teachers, caring sisters and honorable father. It has been truly said that there would be no class without a teacher, and getting such a wonderful set of teachers is a blessing itself. I am very glad to be a part of this surprising video for all our hardworking teachers. In past 3 years, there hasn't been a single day when I did not miss my St. Paul's family. Thank you for supporting me every time when I need you and making me believe in myself whenever I felt disappointed. Love you all. Happy Teachers Day once again.
Hello everyone. I am very blessed to make this video for such amazing teachers. This is Kashish Shaurya from 2019-20 batch, and I am currently preparing for NIFT entrance exam. You all have been very great teachers. I have studied in St. Paul's for 10 years, and each one of you have molded me into a better person. Thank you all for the inspiration and motivation. I am so grateful to have teachers like you in my school years who had been so supportive throughout the years. Thank you everyone. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day.
Everyone, I'm Ankit CNL from batch 2014. To be more specific, the very first batch of St. Paul's. Currently, I'm doing my BTech in Marine Engineering from Kochi. First of all, I'd like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers Day and thank you all for your guidance, your support, blessings and all the pain you took to push us in the right way. I've been part of St. Paul's for more than 10 years, from the very first building under Father K.K. Josh to what it is today. When I talk about him, I am still उनका थप्पड़ का डर लगता है. I still remember his nature to Nature classes. Sister Anne, Sister Blessy, Sister Rita, all the sisters I have been under, all the brothers, Brother Sanjay, thank you all. Thank you for your guidance. And all the teachers, a very happy Teachers Day and thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Chris Soni, a very proud St. Paulian from batch 2016-17. I am pursuing software developer from Aishwarya College, Udaipur. First of all, I would like to wish Happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers. On this special occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to thank all my teachers who have supported me and guided me for correct direction. I feel very blessed to have such an amazing and awesome teachers. Thank you so much teachers, and once again Happy Teachers Day.
Hi teachers! You have so much in you for us to learn. Much more than Fiole's principle and much more than electrophilic reaction.
Much more than PV Sally and much more than balance sheet tally. Hoping to get them in us by your inevitable presence and guidance throughout our life. Happy Teachers Day!
Teachers Day to all my loving teachers. Thank you teachers for always supporting and encouraging us. I am a BSc second year student and I have pursued my degree from Vidyaban Udaipur and I belong to batch 2016 to 2017.
Everything is different when you are a child. Every new day is fascinating than the last one. In fact, some memories stays with us for long and ends up being with us forever. Here am I, Jayavardhan Vijayvargiya, a proud St. Paulian from batch 2016-17, currently pursuing MBBS from Mahatma Gandhi Medical College, Jaipur. It is very difficult to describe my school life in words. It is not merely about education, it is about fun, sports, punishment and countless memories. Childhood is that stage of life where one can be molded into any shape. Teachers are like real potters which shape us like an earthen pot. I owe so much to this school that when someone asks from which school you are, I proudly says that I am a Paulian. Here's wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Teachers can change life with just the right mixture of chalks and challenges. Our parents gave birth, but you brought life. A life where we were taught about good and bad, morals, ethics and values which added to our characters. Myself Abhinav and I am passed out of very recent 2019-20 batch. Myself Shubham and I am passed out of very recent batch 2019 and 20. जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह कई जीवन रोशन कर जाता है. जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह कई जीवन रोशन कर जाता है. कुछ इसी तरह हर गुरु अपना फ़र्ज़ निभाता है. कुछ इसी तरह हर गुरु अपना फ़र्ज़ निभाता है. मैं आप सभी महान व्यक्तित्वों का सदैव आभारी रहूँगा. मुझे पढ़ना लिखाना सिखाने के लिए धन्यवाद. मुझे सही गलत समझाने के लिए धन्यवाद. मुझे आकाश को चूमने और बड़े सपने देखने का सहारा देने के लिए धन्यवाद. मेरा मित्र, मेरा गुरु और मेरा प्रकाश बनने के लिए धन्यवाद. पढ़ाई के साथ साथ मस्ती भी खूब की है और ये सब तो सारे टीचर्स जानते ही हैं. राजेश सर से मार खाना और फादर का ऑफिस में बुलाकर प्यार से समझाना याद तो बहुत आएगा. टीचर्स का डांटना और जीवन के हर मोड़ पे हमें समझाना याद तो बहुत आएगा. Once again, a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers of St. Paul's School.